So there's a shortage of masks and shields in the medical field and first responders and police due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So we're just stepping up and helping where we can. I'm a tech mobile consultant. We take cool machines, bring them into your school and teach you how to use them, from 3D printers to laser engravers, plasma cutters. What I'm doing now, working from home, what I've been doing is just running the machines for 13 to 15 hours a day, printing off as many as I can. So here's our home office. We got 2 3D printers, MakerBots, set up to go. Right over here we have 2 face masks going right now. They got about an hour and 20 minutes left. Why I believe we're doing this is because it aligns with our vision of using our resources to help the community.